Over the last few months, all of you have been asking me the same question: where can I safely download these applications I mentioned in my videos? Where can I find guides that don't involve 10 different pop-ups, lots of fake links, spam, all that annoying stuff? Well, today I have the answer. Allow me to present or announce the brand new TechDoctorUK website, which after 5 years has now been completely redesigned, built from the ground up to give you the best, safest, and really just the most convenient homepage for all of your streaming devices, and with zero adverts. So no fake download buttons, no pop-ups, no annoying things to click on, none of that stuff. Just a super fast, super clean way for you to get the best content. Now, to access the new website, it's still on the original name, which is techdoctoruk.com, or you can type in my previous shortcode, which is just 53402. Let's do that now. And you can then add this page as a favorite for quicker access next time. And let me just say a big thanks to Doc Squiffy, who I did spend many days discussing, debating, just lots of different questions on the best way to launch this website. Now you can see directly on the homepage, we've got super clean layout. You've got unlock the full power of your Firestick and Android TV, as I will have guides for both platforms. You can scroll down. Now you have a big button here to get the essential tools, which I will demonstrate in just a second, or you can browse the previous tutorials. Now, the way I've structured the website, any previous tutorial, maybe it was a jailbreak one, maybe it was a streaming application, all of those links should still work. Now, if I click on browse tutorials, we can see how we have a really nice clean layout. You can see exactly when the tutorial was posted. You can also search the top. So let's say, for example, I'm searching for that tutorial I did on APK updater. I can just type in APK. Let's go to next. And we can see now we find the tutorial for APK updater. So it's really easy to use, really fast, and hopefully you can find the content you are looking for. Now you also have a section for blog. You can now see some streaming guides. You can see some different tutorials. This is where I'll be posting the new tutorials. The information on some of the newer applications, the newer custom add-ons, custom builds, all that stuff, that'll be posted in the blog section. And you can see it's all clearly laid out. Okay, let's now go to free streaming. Let's click on that. And this, you'll see, guys, is just a massive repository of official streaming sites, whether you're looking for Plex TV, Pluto TV, all the different ones. All of them are available on this single page. So you can now use a filter and say, for example, I'm only looking for free websites. Let's click on that. Scroll down and you can see now all of that has been filtered to show you all of those different free sites only. Like, for example, Freely, like Tubi, 9Now. Some of them will require a VPN. So if you click on that, and it will allow you to get that very easily. Let's go to downloads at the top. Let's click on that. Now you will see a disclaimer just for your own protection. So be wary of that before you download anything. Let's scroll down. You also have the ability to now report an application that's not working. So if you do download something from my website, you can then report and let me know that maybe it crashes, maybe it's not showing you any content, or maybe you're seeing a certain error message. You can type those details in and I'll be able to find an update or fix that for you, hopefully very soon. So again, just a great way for us to make this a collaboration and really just build the best streaming community on YouTube. So many thanks for being a part of that. You can also request an application here. So if you have heard of a certain application, all the stuff that's out there, you can also request that here and I will try to find it and add it to my downloads page. Let's go down. You'll then see a featured section. So this is some of the current applications that some of you may be interested in. Keep scrolling down and you can now search for an application, or you can click on these app categories. So let's say, for example, I'm looking for a media player. I can click on media player. This will then filter out all of my content and show you some of those media players, like the K application, like the Bear, like the Drama. All of them are available here. You can see with one click, you can get whichever one that you like. So for a quick test, let's download the B player. Let's click on Get. Again, you will see a quick disclaimer just to make sure you understand what you're downloading. I can click on I understand and click on download. And you can see, guys, no messing around, no pop-ups, no waiting, no extra codes, one click, and you can now download all of your favorite applications without any issues whatsoever. Let's go back. And as I said at the start, guys, the best thing about this is this website has zero adverts. So that means faster loading, clean browsing, and just really a better experience for you on your streaming device, on your tablet, or even on your mobile phone. Now, I may add in some other things as the site grows, but for now, I wanted the launch to be as clean and user-friendly as possible, because honestly, guys, you'll see most websites, the priority always is make money first and then provide some useful content later. But I want you to turn that around. Let me provide you some good content first, good clean content. The other things we can work out later, but of course, if you do buy a VPN from my website, if you use my QR code, then that really is the best way you can support me, and hopefully I can try and cover most of the costs for this new posting. So really appreciate your support. Definitely do leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.